self-driving?
I don't know.
Oh, it's doing it. It's doing it. It's got full self-driving. Whoa. Please pay attention on the road. I can't do the camera. It's going to pass the turn. Oh, wait.
Oh, you navigated to the car wash.
Oh, okay. It's doing it, though.
Oh, no! No!
Oh, my gosh. I think is this our destination?
Oh, I think you had it send us.
Okay, I'm stopping this.
Yes,
I'm stopping.
Please. What the? No.
This is crazy.
As a driver, this goes against everything I know. Jesus Christ.
Do you want to experience it in the driver's seat?
No, I don't. Get me out of this.
We took in this Model Y and I'm just taking it for a little test drive. Just acceleration. Oh, it's just a dual motor. Oh my gosh, do I love it. This thing's awesome. I don't think I've said it, but I did put an order for a Cybertruck, but I don't know if I'll actually get it. That was a while ago. I don't know, I like Teslas. I love my Cummins, but this would be like an ultimate daily. Go, acceleration. I mean, not bad. Like, this thing gets up and goes. Like, there was already the speed limit just right there. I don't know. There's everything. This thing's pretty cool. The yoke is so weird. I keep like grabbing up here, like going to turns, like to make the full turn. Just the initial, just like giving it a little bump of the throttle. Just oh my gosh, that's crazy. I'd be in so much trouble if I had one of these. Every light, like here's the light, I'm gonna floor it. Like it's I would floor it everywhere if I had one of these. Like this thing's too awesome. I honestly like Teslas. These are pretty cool. I couldn't figure out how to do like the full self-driving. It says it's on here, the beta or whatever, but I activated. I think you just press down on this. I don't know if you have to do it like twice or if there was like a sequence, but I got it to do like normal autopilot, but it wouldn't steer or anything. So I don't know if I'm doing how to exactly work this thing, but it's pretty awesome. Like looking at everything like right there, pretty dang crazy. We'll see how fast we can get to the speed limit here. Oh my gosh! Not even to the light. Out, not even before we cross the intersection. We're already at 45. Oh my gosh. Just leave everyone back there in the dust. Oh, these things are so fun. I got respect for the car. I respect the car. This thing is freaking awesome, but just the insta power. Like I will say, like when my turbo lights up, you know, you're doing 50 PSI, you know, it's like, okay, it doesn't pull as hard as that. Like on the, like, you know, I just took off the freeway. It doesn't pull that hard, but everywhere up to the high speed, it just impromptu overall review of the Model Y. Don't like the build quality. Look at this when you just shut this door. Like this whole thing like rattles like crazy, and like that doesn't like line up there. I don't know. Build quality, not the best, but like this thing's so cool. Like going back this way, like we can go drive it. Like this thing's so dang awesome, like seeing everything. It's so weird, like one hand turning, like with this thing, like you can't, it's like, I don't know, strange. But it was funny, a minute ago, like my truck right there, it was a SUV. My truck was an SUV, and then it realized like it was a truck somehow, even though it has a camper shell. Like this thing's pretty dang smart, I will say. Like it gets most of these vehicles right and stuff, and I figured out how to do the autopilot. You got to do like double tap real fast on there, but this one, I don't know, this thing's just pretty cool. I like it. I wonder if I can navigate somewhere. Overall, I like the Tesla, but yeah, this would be like a good little daily car. I don't know about, this would have to be a second vehicle for me if I had one, because even though I just went out, I may have gotten on it quite a bit of times. I used up 30 miles of range in like 4 miles, which is pretty crazy, but I mean, understandably. This is so crazy. I'm just gonna... Okay, we're slow. Creeping.
Oh my god, dude, this is strange.
It is. Holy crap. Oh. It figured it out, though. It figured it out. Oh, wait, is it going to try to go here with the gates closed? Okay, I got preparation.
Nope, I wonder what it's going to do.
I wonder what it's going to do. Okay, I don't trust it. We're going for it. Okay, yep. Okay, back up. I think it almost would have went for the gate because it's in the shade.
Dude, oh, that's so weird.
Got the full auto steer to work. We're going to see if this go. I mean, it's a Tesla. We got to go to Starbucks. So here we go. Full self-driving. It's waiting at a light for me. I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna kind of rest my hand around the wheel and be prepared. I want to see it once it turns the light, if it's just gonna go right away. Or what? How's this gonna... This is crazy. I mean, it turned on the turn signal and everything for us. It's green. It knows it's green. It's going for it. Slight turning force, it said. That's so weird. It just drives by itself. You can just sit here and kind of hold on. Oh my gosh. Upcoming lane change. Oh my gosh. Huh. This is awesome.
I still don't know if I like it.
I mean, this is how it's going to be in the future. You're just going to get in the car, you navigate, and you just sit back and relax. That's how it's going to be.
Unfortunately.
Let's see, it's going to come up to make turn here. How is this going to happen? Commerce Drive. Whoa, we're way over here. Now we're way over there. Changing lane. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy.
I'm at a loss of words, honestly.
Full self-driving in the Tesla. Oh, but look at this. It's going to do a stop sign by itself. Oh my gosh. No one's coming. It's just going for it. Is it going to go? Is it? There it goes. Ah! Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Had to take us to Starbucks, you know. We're in a Tesla. Here we go. It's going to take this turn. Whoa. You like it or no?
Nope.
I don't know. I'm taking over. It canceled. An unprotected left turn. Oh my gosh. Ah! This is the future. Oh, it's gonna go for it.
My heart rate, dude, right now.
Oh, I did it. Oh, this is so awesome. The future right here. There's like my first drive with the full self-driving. Sorry for all the giggling and laughing, man. It's just mind-blowing. It's crazy. The car's like fully self-driving, you know. It's you just sit there, you press the button. It was crazy. It would give you like little suggestions on the screen, like, you know, slight turning force, or, you know, apply this or whatever. And I couldn't hold my phone up. I was trying to hold my phone up and kind of record it. The Tesla would literally, like, if you try to like hold up a phone or look away, it would immediately like cancel out the full self-driving, which is a good thing. Obviously, you don't want people being distracted while driving, but it is crazy, you guys. The full self-driving, like, we were just blown away. We were just like, just seeing it, I couldn't help but like laugh and just be like, my mind was blown with the Tesla. It was pretty awesome. Here it is, the Model Y the guy traded in at the dealership here. It's actually kind of funny. Look at this. This is what I was talking about too with the fitment thing. Like, look at this thing, like how it just kind of literally like not even like on there, but he traded the Tesla in. It's funny, he traded it in over here on this Silverado right there, that nice Chevy, and it's a V6 actually, two-wheel drive. And he already traded the Chevy, he'd already traded that back in for a Durango, like one like that. He got like a GT Durango, and I guess he said first he trades the Tesla in, and I think he like got like a trailer or something, so he wanted to be able to tow something. And then he's like, I don't really like the Chevy. It was too big, not a truck guy, which understandably. Chevy is not my first pick of a truck right there. I probably like my fourth pick. I would buy a Ford, a Ram, a Toyota before I'd buy a Chevy, honestly. Like, literally, there's a Chevy that broke down on a test drive in the shop right now. We've had more Chevys break down than anything. So he trades his Tesla in on that, then to now a Dodge Durango. You're definitely seeing like having the Cybertruck as a like a full daily, you know, vehicle. That's why I have an order on one. There's our stock number. I think it's like 57 grand or something like that, 56. That we have it listed for at Tempe Dodge, but it's pretty nice. Like, I like this Tesla. Obviously the full self-driving doesn't work because he actually had it on a subscription service, so it is no longer active, but it was pretty awesome. Well, I got to try it. Hey guys, diesel owner right here. I've owned many Cummins diesels. You could say I roll coal, which, I mean, it's not on purpose. I want to just message out there because I watch like a lot of Wham Bam Tesla Cam. I like those like car crash videos, and they're always like, did this diesel guy target the Tesla owner? Most of the time it's not. Like, literally, I mean, obviously there's those people out there, oh, I took a Tesla, let me roll coal on it. But most people that have a diesel truck, that blows black smoke, it's because, one, it's performance modifications. Like, my truck's old, it's pre-emissions. I had it a lot of power, and comes with a lot of power, you're gonna get smoke. You can't really, the older trucks, it's a lot harder to tune out. I've been talking with a lot of tuning companies trying to get, I've now gone through 2, and I've gotten the smoke down a little bit, but it's just hard when you're making big power on a diesel truck. You're gonna have smoke, and it's not always, if you happen to smoke out a Tesla, it's not always on purpose. Just wanna put that out there. But yeah, I mean, I've rolled coal many times in my life, and I would totally still get one of these right here. I love the Tesla. It's awesome. I would have it as a second vehicle just because of the range. Like, you see all the towing videos right now. A Ford Lightning one just blew up. The TFL just did their Hummer review with towing versus a Cummins diesel, and literally you get a third, if not a fourth of the range when you hook a trailer up to one of these. So it just doesn't make sense for that long distance. But as a daily driver, something you're gonna drive, 20, 30, 40 miles back and forth to work that you can charge every night at home or something, or even like here where I work, you could charge at work. And it's definitely makes sense. I would definitely get one of these. I mean, I have one on order. I mean, I want to get a Cybertruck. I think it'd be pretty cool as a good daily vehicle, and then still have my old Cummins diesel if I want to travel across the country. But or just tow big things and still get decent range. I could still tow a trailer and get 300 miles of range, whereas if you hook a trailer up to an electric truck, you're going to get like 110 miles of range, which is pretty bad. Yeah, guys, overall, definitely like it. Self-driving, it's going to be crazy, That's the future right there. You're going to get, so many cars come standard with like adaptive cruise control, and it's just going to get more and more to where 10, 15 years from now, you just get in the car, it doesn't even have a steering wheel, it just tells you where to go. Or you tell it where to go, and it takes you there. So pretty cool. There you go. Diesel owner, Tesla review. Pretty awesome. Like it. Needs to be a little bit better on the build quality, but other than that, they got a really good car. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. I've been still like kind of reviewing my tuning for the truck, so that'll be coming out later. That'll probably be the next video, the Quadzilla tuning on my 2002 Cummins diesel. Video will be coming out sometime soon. I'm just trying to get a good feel for it, because it's so all over the place. I've gone through 2 tuning companies and everything, and a whole bunch of things. So see you guys later.